Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services. And first of all, let us wish all of y'all compliments of the season on account of Ganesh Chaturthi and wish Lord Ganesha brings health, wealth, and prosperity for all of y'all and your family members. Coming to the markets, as I speak to you, all of y'all this morning, Monday morning at around about 9:45, 10 a.m. There has been slight bit of red on the screen. Sensex, to give you certain levels, Sensex is trading down about 150 points. 67,685 is the level on Sensex. Nifty is down about 36 odd points. 20,155 is the level on Nifty Spot. Nifty Bank down about 110 points. 46,125 is the level on Nifty Bank. Rupee dollar crude oil, rupee little bit of concern has surpassed 83 mark, trading currently at about 83.12 against a dollar. Minor strength of 5 paise, but it is a concern since rupee has crossed that crucial level of 83 mark against the dollar. And on the NYMEX and Brent, on the Brent and NYMEX, that is elevated level again, fearfully high. $94.30 to a barrel is Brent, and $91.30 a barrel is NYMEX. Both these equations are a little bit concerning on the markets and economy. Both these are, of course, rupee crossing dollar at 83, and Brent and NYMEX both has crossed $90 a barrel mark. Remains to be seen how elevated they are. But India's energy supplies, as far as crude oil is concerned, large part of is taken care by Russia. Negotiations are on to increase our energy requirement via Iran supplies of natural gas and crude oil. And both these countries, we do rupee dominated trades, not dollar dominated trades. So let's see how it pans out. Coming back to the market, well, to give you certain levels in the past, and remember, we spoke about this market for about last week also we give you a market outlook, and before that also we've been giving you market outlook. To give you certain dates and levels, on 1st of September this month, we were at 19,260. Currently, as of today, we have touched a level of Nifty Spot of higher level of almost 20,200 levels, near about that. And we are on 18th of September. So from 1st of September, from 19,260 to 18th September, 20,200 approximately level. We have come a long, long way. And in these 18 days, we have conquered almost all-time highs, lifetime highs, that is. Going forward from here on, because we have a truncated week, tomorrow on account of Ganesh Chaturthi, we have a holiday. And there may be a little bit of profit booking. Absolutely no complaints about that, given the kind of journey that we've had for the last 18 days. And there might be some mind corrections. Small and mid cap, we saw a sell-off almost about 3% in small cap, 2.5% or thereabouts on the mid cap, and then they have kind of stabilized and recovered. Remember one thing, there was a lot of froth and lot of weak hands leverage position that had gone into the small and mid cap. I'm not saying that, we are not saying that there is something wrong over there, but you need to be extremely careful in terms of sectorial picks as to what companies you identify in the small and mid cap universe. Investing in any and every name and expecting to make returns in the small and mid cap universe, I think that's not justified. You need to use your wisdom and then make investment depending upon sectors in the small cap and mid cap universe. Coming back to the markets, we were talking about short truncated week. Expect a little bit of profit booking. There might be downward movements, but all moves on the downside, friends, would be great opportunity to accumulate, invest from a long-term point of view. There is also a little bit of concern in the market, not for us. The concern is that you might see elevated sell side numbers from the foreign institutional investors. Not that we will have a huge impact, because even when they were not there, I think the domestic institutional investors and retail investors, direct, indirect, via mutual fund SIPs, have been actively participated in the markets, and that's what gives the strength to the domestic institutional investors when retail investors starts participating. And our view is that as we go forward from here on, there will be more retail participation and there will be more liquidity strength that will arm the domestic institutional investors to face any kind of adversities as far as foreign institutional investors or FIs are concerned. So not really concerned about that. Two concerns have we mentioned, that is rupee dollar equation and crude oil, and the third one is deficit number on the monsoon front. Elevated prices, in case if there has to be, may increase the overall inflation. That may possibly have a rethink done by the monetary policy committee in terms of interest rates, etc., etc. But I think overall we should be, that's only a short to medium term kind of argument that I'm putting forward. But over a longer period of time, our view is that rupee should also gain some strength against the dollar. Crude oil, Brent and Namex should also see a little bit of cool off, and rain, whatever remains, in case if there is a catch up, then I think the inflationary pressures would also start abating a little bit. On the G20 front, well, there was a huge success, and we saw the reports, not going too much into it, but I think it has opened up tremendous amount of opportunity for the APAC region, and also as an investment destination as far as India is concerned. The show causing of India's growth story, which was put forward by the Honorable Prime Minister and his team, I think it has given praises across the world, and we've read about it in various medias and social media. Expect the markets to consolidate a little bit, but like we mentioned, all corrections on the downside will be a buying opportunity. And as we speak to all of you all, and every week we give you investment ideas. So there are two of them. First one is from a PSU company called BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Both on the capex front, order book, order execution front, earning visibility has tremendously transformed over the last couple of quarters. There was a little bit of overhang as far as the execution of order book is concerned, but now I think this pace is picking up, and we believe that earnings should improve. So first company is a PSU company called Bharat Heavy Electricals, BHEL, and the second one is from the NBFC microfinance, small finance, is the company called Credit Access Grameen. Friends, our view is that not only the loan book is going to grow for the banks, both private, public, but also for the NBFCs, especially those who are involved with the microfinance or small finances. I think their loan book is going to grow exponentially. And our view at Geojit is that the earnings as far as microfinance, small finances companies are concerned are going to look very, very robust. And remember one thing, because of the ticket size being small, small and microfinance companies repayment run rate as far as principal and interest is concerned is extremely, extremely high. So two investment ideas, friends, BHEL and Credit Access Grameen. Mind you, friends, these are long-term fundamental investment ideas. So you need to have at least 1.5 year plus kind of time horizon in case if you decide to invest in these companies. And as always, don't rush into it. Start at current levels, and in staggered manner on corrections, you can add on to both these stocks. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. Once again, season's greetings on account of Ganesh Chaturthi. And I'll see you again next week. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.